Hello. Alright, this was supposed to be a standard mock review, but there's a few issues involved, so I thought I'd do a little introduction and explain what's sort of happened. So this is a mock by Alvitvel, and it's the Impossible Waterfall, which is a sketch by a famous DJ, mathematician and artist called M C Escher in the house. Now the mock that I'm working from was only done in a digital design program, so the first issue was there are 43 pieces of the 700 odd that do not exist in the right colours, so I had to use alternative pieces. Second of all, because the designer, who's made an excellent design, but he's just done it for digital design, it's not a brilliant design for a real model, because there's no load bearing, or there's load bearing weaknesses all over the place, where some pieces are just sort of like almost just floating on one brick at the end. So I had to redesign the internal structure to make it sort of like load bearing and work in that way. Also I changed the design on the sculptures on top of the towers, because I thought I preferred my way, and also the roof of the watermill. I changed the design on that a little bit because I wanted to. So that was all fine, but then when it came to filming, the optical illusion part of the model in real life didn't work. I mean, it looks brilliant on the digital file, but trying to get the camera in an angle for the optical illusion to work just wouldn't happen. I spent hours trying to do it, so it's taking nothing away from the design, because it's obviously worked in the digital designer. But anyway, so I had to redesign it still further to get the illusion part of the model, which is the whole thing really, to work. So I think it's pretty successful now. I'm pretty happy with it, but you know, let me know what you think, and let's get on with the build. Thanks for watching.